I think RDNA 2 is doing exactly what it's designed to do. It is designed to give you a very compelling option other than Nvidia for enthusiast gamers.
I'm not disappointed by the RX 6800 series. AMD delivered on everything they promised in their keynote.
I will repeat, in the 6800 XT, AMD has delivered a card that competes with Nvidia at the high end of the gaming GPU market. That in and of itself is a big win, given how far behind they've been. And even if you don't buy a 6800 XT or a 6800 or a 6900 XT when they launch, you should be happy about the competition and how it has forced Nvidia to come in at more competitive prices with the 30 series.
I have to admit, I wasn't overly confident AMD could pull this one off, but for the first time in a long time, they've caught Nvidia and are genuinely offering a better value product, depending on your preferences.
Couldn't have said it any better myself.
What's gonna land right here? Because we know something's gonna. 3070 Super maybe? I don't know. I see a gap right here, and I think Nvidia sees it too, and they're gonna shove something in there like they always do. Shut up, Phil. I see you snickering back. That's very immature.